Clearwater, Florida, is known for its stunning coastal landscapes, vibrant communities, and diverse architectural styles. For homeowners looking to make their properties stand out, custom bay windows are an excellent choice. These windows enhance curb appeal, create unique interior spaces, and provide panoramic views of Clearwater's beautiful surroundings. Whether you're renovating an existing home or designing a new one, custom bay windows allow you to tailor the design to fit your personal style and functional needs. Here's how custom bay window designs can elevate the charm and functionality of your Clearwater property. Personalized designs for unique homes. Custom bay windows allow you to match your home's architectural style, whether it's a modern beachfront retreat, a classic Florida bungalow, or a Mediterranean-inspired villa. With endless design options, you can create a bay window that complements your property's aesthetic and reflects your personal taste. Customization options include shape and size. Tailor the dimensions and angles of the bay window to fit your space perfectly, from shallow projections to dramatic curves. Materials. Choose from high-quality materials like wood, fiberglass, or vinyl to suit your home's design and Clearwater's coastal climate. Frame colors and finishes. Match or contrast with your home's exterior palette to create a cohesive or eye-catching look. A custom bay window becomes a standout architectural feature that enhances the uniqueness of your Clearwater home. Maximizing natural light and views. Clearwater's sunny weather and scenic beauty make natural light and outdoor views a top priority for homeowners. Custom bay windows are designed to capture these elements, creating bright, open spaces that celebrate the area's natural charm. How custom designs enhance light and views. Expansive glass panels. Maximize the size and placement of glass panes to frame breathtaking views of Clearwater's coastline or lush landscapes. Window placement. Work with a designer to position bay windows in areas that receive the most natural light or overlook your favorite outdoor features. Decorative glass options. Add unique touches like frosted or stained glass to balance privacy with aesthetics. Custom bay windows bring Clearwater's vibrant outdoors inside, making your home feel connected to its surroundings. Creating functional living spaces. Bay windows do more than enhance your home's exterior. They also transform your interiors by adding usable space. Custom designs let you tailor this added area to fit your lifestyle. Functional ideas for custom bay windows. Window seats. Add built-in seating with cushions for a cozy reading nook or a relaxing spot to enjoy the view. Storage solutions. Incorporate cabinets or drawers beneath the window seat for hidden storage that keeps your space organized. Dining or workspace nooks. Use the extended space for a small dining area, a workstation, or a creative corner. Custom bay windows create multifunctional areas that improve the practicality and enjoyment of your home. Energy efficiency for Clearwater's climate. Clearwater's warm, humid climate requires energy-efficient solutions to keep homes comfortable and reduce cooling costs. Custom bay windows are designed with advanced features to maintain indoor comfort and protect against the elements. Energy-efficient options include insulated glass. Double or triple pane glass filled with inert gas reduces heat transfer and improves insulation. Low E coatings reflect sunlight and block UV rays to keep interiors cooler while preserving furnishings. Weatherproof seals. Custom designs ensure tight seals to prevent air leaks and drafts, even during Clearwater's windy storm seasons. With energy-efficient custom bay windows, you'll enjoy enhanced aesthetics and comfort while saving on energy bills. Durability to withstand coastal conditions. Clearwater's salt air, humidity, and occasional storms require windows that can endure coastal conditions. Custom bay windows are built with materials and finishes designed to last in this environment. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like vinyl or fiberglass resist warping, corrosion, and fading, making them ideal for coastal homes. Impact-resistant glass. Hurricane-rated glass protects your home during storm season while maintaining a clear, stylish appearance. Professional installation. Custom windows are measured and installed to ensure a secure fit, reducing the risk of damage over time. Investing in durable custom bay windows ensures they remain beautiful and functional for years to come. Enhancing curb appeal and home value. Custom bay windows significantly improve the exterior charm of your Clearwater property, making it more inviting and visually striking. Their unique design can also increase your home's market value, appealing to potential buyers. Curb appeal benefits. Architectural focal point. A well-designed bay window creates a standout feature that adds depth and character to your home's facade. Custom details. Incorporate decorative elements like grids, mullions, or arched tops to personalize the design further. Increased home value. Homes with custom features like bay windows are more desirable, offering long-term value for homeowners. Custom bay windows combine beauty and functionality, ensuring your home leaves a lasting impression. Conclusion. Custom bay windows are the perfect way to enhance the aesthetics, functionality, and value of your Clearwater property. By tailoring the design to your unique preferences and needs, you can create a stunning architectural feature that brightens your home, maximizes outdoor views, and provides versatile living spaces. If you're ready to transform your home with custom bay windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With their expertise, you'll enjoy a seamless design and installation process, ensuring your new bay windows are as beautiful as they are practical for years to come.